Are you sick and tired of having uneven concrete at your Trenton home? The top 5 reasons for your Trenton concrete sinking. 1. Improper grading. If the ground slopes toward a slab, water runoff can easily penetrate into the soil underneath. 2. Frost penetration. When melting snow penetrates the soil under a concrete slab, and the temperature drops below freezing, the ground expands. Then, when the earth dries out, the soil contracts. 3. Tree root growth. When trees grow near a concrete slab, their roots can extend into the soil underneath. As the root system becomes larger, foot traffic and weather conditions can cause the slab to sink, crack and buckle. 4. Poor water drainage. Even if the ground is properly graded, soil issues can develop if you neglect gutter and downspout maintenance. When moisture runoff from the rooftop flows toward a slab, ponding water can lead to Trenton, Michigan sinking concrete. 5. Poorly compacted soil. During construction, soil may be spread or moved to level the grade. The loose soil must be properly compacted to remove air cavities from within it. Don't worry, Total Leveling can help with any of your Trenton concrete repair needs. Contact us today for a free, no-obligation quote. Visit concreteliftingmi.com.